Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change device name on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, the name on the smartphone turns out to be quite important, especially to give difference between your device and someone else. Okay, and then to change your device name, here you can open settings menu. And then you can select the first option, about phone. Okay, after that select device name here, and then rename the device as you need. Okay, and then the name on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change device name on Redmi 13c device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.